that. So then you come into, from there, you come into, you know, a hot block demo, right? You know, you grab the hot block, you show that we're just going to simply do a, you know, a simple, add a little bit of water because that's what's going to absorb all that heat for us. We place it on a little stainless steel stick like this. Hey, say, all right, well, we probably should have George hold this. So George is going to hold it, right? And then we're going to light this thing up. Now, if you've noticed something, just put a ball on top, right? There's nothing on the bottom. So in reality, with stainless steel, if we heat this side, it should transfer underneath and hit his hand, and it would be really hot. We'll turn the torch up. We'll get this really hot like this. And the fact of the matter is hot block, there's a reason why it's such an effective putty on the market and why guys use it in so many things, from saving wiring and sensors and you know, even painted surfaces and stuff you just need to protect from heat and flame. Really simple. You can see how we're over 2,000 degrees on this side right here, right? And in reality, George has it's ice cold right up underneath it, right there. Whoa, don't too hard.
I heard sizzle.
I
heard sizzle. Hey, you lost a finger. You lost part of your finger.
But
we have
cold,
no fingertips. Ours are shot. I know,
but
right?
the cool thing about this, though, I mean, if you look at it, it also stopped the discoloration of stainless steel, too. So it not only stopped it from discoloring even further down, but I mean, you can see how hot this is still. Put it in the tub, use it again, 100% reusable for life.
Do we have to keep water in the tub?
Just add water whenever you're going to use it, spray bottle, or add a little bit of water to it.